Question 16. In a certain country, television station names contain either 3 or 4 letters and must start with either letters R or Y. How many station names are available if the names do not contain any repeated letters? So the stations have either 3 or 4 letters, so that means you need like 3 different blanks for them to have. So, and the first one contains R or Y, which is 2 possible combinations. So you can have either R or Y, so there's 2 there. And then for the next one, you can't repeat any letters, so it can be any other letter except the one you already did. So you have to do it times 25. And then for the next one, you have to do it times 24. And that gets rid of the 3 combination. But then you also need to add to that the possible 4 letter combinations, which is 2, because again, it can start with either R or Y. Then you need to multiply that times 25 times 24 times 23. And then you add that all together, or multiply it all together and do that. And you get a final answer, 28,800. And then for 17, the question is, in a certain country, television station names contain either 3 or 4 letters and must start with either repeated letters R or Y. How many station names are available if the names end with B or N and do not contain any repeated letters? And so, again, you have to start out with 2, then you multiply that by 25, because that's how many, or 24, because you have to do the total amount of numbers, but you can't have the one you already did or the one that it's going to end with, because it has to end with either B or N, and then you have to do times 2, and then you add that to the combination of 4, 2 times 24 times 23 times 2, and you get that up, or do all the math there, and you get 2,304 as your final answer. And the way that these are different is, well, the 17, you have to have something at the end to make it either, the name either ends with B or N, so you have to put that into place. And so instead of having like a 23 at the end for a possible amount of numbers, it can only be 2. And with that, you also need to like make the first number equal to 24, because you have to subtract B because it's at the end.
Sorry for the interruption.